Staying true to value, exploring great books worldwide. Hi, this is Sally's Book Club. Today we're exploring the book A Child Who Can Cook Can Thrive Anywhere. So, this isn't a cooking guide for kids, but a true heartwarming story. This story has moved and inspired over 5 million mothers worldwide. The authors are a Japanese family. Chie, a vocal music graduate who taught at elementary school, her husband Nobu, a journalist at Nishi Nippon Shimbun, and their daughter Aha, born in 2003, skilled in household chores and piano. Primarily written by Nobu, incorporating diaries and letters from Chie and Aha, documenting 12 years from Chie's cancer diagnosis to her passing, a family's journey through illness. Our story begins on January 28th, 2000, Chie's unforgettable 25th birthday. Nobu had planned to propose on this special day. The moment Chie accepted the ring, their engagement was sealed. Nobu fell for Chie at first sight. Their first meeting came in early summer 1998 during Nobu's work interview with the vocal music graduate student. No brief, that encounter left Nobu enchanted. Their next meeting came spring 1999. Celebrating Chie's graduation and new teaching job, they commemorated with pottery making. Nobu became consumed by love, daily traveling to Chie's city. Their mutual affection might have remained ordinary until cancer reshaped their story. While we preach reverence for life, many succumb to fear and avoidance when facing mortality. The cancer warnings were there but ignored. 3 months before diagnosis, they'd noticed the small lump beneath Chie's left breast. Youth and lack of family history bred false reassurance. So, despite their lingering doubts, they dismissed it casually. 2 months later, the lump suddenly doubled in size. Another similar lump appeared above her left breast. Even then, Chie convinced herself it must be nothing. Soon came the devastating diagnosis: aggressive breast cancer. Years later, Chie's blog revealed their dangerous denial through bodily changes. Nobu carried lifelong guilt for missing the treatment window. Illness demands rationality. Neither panic nor denial should dictate fate. July 2000 diagnosis: 3 centimeters malignant tumor requiring immediate mastectomy. 20 days from diagnosis to scheduled surgery. Events unfolded too fast for proper deliberation. Chie appeared resigned to her fate. 2 days pre-surgery, she suddenly refused the operation. She knew refusal meant certain death. But surgery terrified her as much as dying. Dreaded disfigurement and grueling treatments paralyzed her. Friends flooded in with desperate encouragement. "You must survive," they pleaded. A colleague brought The Cat That Lived a Million Lives, urging surgery acceptance. Ultimately, Nobu's decision swayed her. Despite cancer, Nobu accelerated wedding plans. His parents fiercely opposed this. "I love all of Chie, cancer included," Nobu declared. Even knowing their time might be brief, Chie resisted surgery until Nobu didn't push like others. "After marriage, I'll take you to Canada's Rocky Mountains and Lake Louise." Chie finally resolved, "For this man, I'll undergo the surgery." Pre-surgery diary entry: "I'm tired of running." Through treatment, drastic weight loss, hair falling out, vomiting, stomach acid, she persisted. Simple reason: she wanted to live with Nobu. Meanwhile, 30,000 Japanese chose suicide annually during her fight. "Give your lives to me if you don't want them," Chie would rage. Cruel irony: some can't live, others won't. After 7 months treatment, ending early 2001, Chie returned to reduced teaching schedule. Lonely days filled her time off. Nobu feared depression would worsen her health. He moved her in and accelerated wedding plans. August 2001 wedding proceeded, but no full-time work prospects remained. Nobu's kidney disease cast shadow over newlywed life. A child would bring life here, they dreamed. But biological reality seemed impossible. Chemotherapy's cruelest blow destroyed ovarian function. Doctors confirmed likely infertility. Soon menstruation ceased completely. Devastating blow to newlyweds. But life demanded forward motion. Nobu remembered his promise. They flew to Canada. They rented a car, traversing glacial highways while spotting wild elk near canyon lakes. Standing on Lake Louise's icy surface, Chie believed life's joys persist through survival. Just as they accepted childlessness, a miracle occurred. Pregnancy. Breast cancer patients face extreme risks in pregnancy due to estrogen-triggered recurrences. Choosing childbirth meant embracing mortality's shadow. Abortion thoughts dominated initially. Self-preservation seemed paramount. Chemotherapy's potential birth defects haunted her decision-making. Her father's brutal counsel, "Your death matters less than this child's birth." Initially perceived as cruel, his words later revealed profound wisdom. Ultrasound image dissolved all doubts in an instant. He resolved, this life will be born, whatever the cost. Finally understanding her father's surgery-Eve plea, "I forbid you to die." Parental love's true nature became crystal clear. February 20th, 2003. Their miracle child, Aha, was born. Motherhood redefined, Chie's understanding of existence itself. A new hierarchy emerged. Her child's life superseded all else.